Hello everyone! Welcome back to my channel, English Waves. I'm Anna. You know, yesterday I spent 20 minutes looking for my keys. 20 minutes! I looked everywhere. Under the couch cushions, in the kitchen, in my bag. And where did I find them? In the refrigerator. Yes, the refrigerator. I was so distracted, I put them there with the milk. That's when I realized my house is a mess. I need to clean and organize. But here's the thing. I don't just need to do it. I need to talk about it in English. Because cleaning and organizing isn't just about having a tidy home. It's about the vocabulary we use every day. Take out the trash, do the laundry, put things away. Today, we're learning all the English words and phrases for cleaning and organizing, whether you're cleaning your own home, talking to roommates, or hiring help. And to help me today, my co-host Ben is here. Ben, is your house clean?
Define clean.
Perfect. So you need this episode too.
Absolutely. Today we'll learn all the vocabulary for cleaning, organizing, and talking about household chores.
By the end, you'll sound natural when talking about keeping your home tidy.
Rubbing hands together cheerfully? Let's get started.
Here we go. Let's start with basic cleaning vocabulary, the most common words.
First question, what's the difference between clean and tidy?
Good question. Clean means removing dirt. Tidy means organized and neat.
So I can have a tidy room that's not clean.
Yes, everything is organized, but there's dust everywhere.
Or a clean room that's not tidy.
Exactly. No dirt, but things are scattered everywhere.
What about messy?
Messy is the opposite of tidy. Things are disorganized, chaotic.
My bedroom is messy right now.
Mine too. Now, let's learn cleaning verbs.
Verbs, the action words.
Clean, sweep, mop, dust, vacuum, wipe, scrub, polish. Sweep means use a broom for the floor. Adding with mopping motion, mop means clean the floor with water and a mop.
Dust means remove dust from surfaces.
Making vacuum sound. Vacuum means use a vacuum cleaner for carpets.
Wipe means clean with a cloth.
Scrubbing motion. Scrub means clean by rubbing hard.
Polish means make something shiny.
Warm smile. Now let's use them in sentences.
Demonstrating. I need to sweep the floor. Can you vacuum the living room?
Adding. I'm going to dust the shelves. Please wipe the table.
Continuing. I have to mop the kitchen. I'm scrubbing the bathtub.
Nodding. Perfect. Those are very natural sentences. Now let's go through each room. What do we clean in each room?
Great idea. Let's start with the kitchen.
What are common kitchen cleaning tasks?
Do the dishes, wash the dishes, load the dishwasher, unload the dishwasher.
Clean the counters, wipe down the counters, clean the sink.
Mop the floor, clean the stovetop, wipe the table.
Can you do the dishes, please? I need to clean the counters.
Don't forget, take out the trash, empty the trash can.
Very important. Now, the bathroom. Fluff the pillows means make them puffy and nice.
Scrub the bathtub, clean the shower, wipe down the mirror.
Change the towels, empty the trash, mop the floor.
I hate cleaning the toilet. The bathroom needs a deep clean.
Nobody likes cleaning the toilet. Now, the bedroom.
Make the bed, change the sheets, put away clothes.
Dust the furniture. Vacuum the floor. Organize the closet.
Don't forget to make your bed. I need to change the sheets today.
Living room time.
Vacuum the carpet. Dust the shelves. Wipe the TV.
Fluff the pillows, organize the coffee table, put away the remote controls.
Fluff the pillows means make them puffy and nice.
Yes, make them look good.
What about general tasks for the whole house?
Take out the garbage, vacuum all the floors, dust all surfaces.
Clean the windows, organize closets, declutter.
Declutter means remove things you don't need. Now let's talk about organizing, making your home neat and functional.
What are the key organizing verbs?
Organize, sort, arrange, put away, store, declutter, tidy up.
What's the difference between all these?
Organize means create a system. Sort means separate into categories.
Arrange means put in order. Put away means return to proper place.
Store means keep somewhere for later. Tidy up means make neat quickly.
I need to organize my closet. Let me sort these papers.
Please put away your toys. I'm storing winter clothes in boxes.
Now, organizing phrases we use.
Put this away. Everything has a place. A place for everything.
Don't leave things lying around. Hang this up. File these papers.
Throw this away. Get rid of this. Donate these clothes.
Get rid of means remove something you don't want.
Donate means give to charity.
What about organizing specific items?
Fold the laundry. Hang up the clothes. Put the books on the shelf.
Sort the mail. Organize the pantry. Arrange the desk.
Stack the plates. Line up the shoes. Group similar items together.
Stack means pile on top of each other.
Line up means put in a straight line.
These are very useful action words.
Now, let's learn how to talk about chores, especially if you live with other people.
Yes, roommates, family members, partners, we need to discuss who does what.
It's your turn to do the dishes. Whose turn is it to take out the trash?
Can you help me clean the kitchen? I cleaned last time, so you clean this time.
You never clean up after yourself. Please pick up your dirty clothes.
Those sound a bit angry. Let's learn polite ways too.
Yes, good point.
Would you mind doing the dishes? Could you please vacuum when you have time?
I'd really appreciate it if you could clean the bathroom. Do you think you could help me organize the garage?
Much more polite. Now, how to divide chores.
Like making a schedule?
Yes, let's make a chore chart. I'll do the cooking if you do the dishes.
We can take turns cleaning the bathroom. I'll handle the laundry, you handle the trash.
Let's divide the chores fairly. We should each do our share.
What about hiring cleaning help?
We hired a cleaning service. The cleaning lady comes every Tuesday.
We have a housekeeper. Someone comes to clean once a week.
How much do you charge for cleaning? Do you provide your own supplies?
What if someone isn't doing their chores?
I noticed the dishes are piling up. Could we talk about the chore schedule?
I feel like I'm doing most of the cleaning. Can we work out a better system?
Using I feel is better than you never.
Less accusatory, more collaborative.
Now let's learn vocabulary for cleaning supplies and tools.
Because we need to know what to buy and how to ask for things.
Broom, mop, vacuum cleaner, duster, sponge, cloth, rag.
Adding bucket, trash bags, garbage bags, dustpan.
Dustpan is what you sweep dirt into.
You sweep with the broom into the dustpan.
Now, cleaning products.
Dish soap, laundry detergent, all-purpose cleaner, glass cleaner.
Bleach, disinfectant, floor cleaner, toilet cleaner.
Detergent is for washing clothes. Soap is for dishes.
Disinfectant kills germs and bacteria.
Bleach is very strong. Be careful with it.
Yes. Now, how to use these in sentences.
Do we have any dish soap? I need to buy laundry detergent.
Where's the all-purpose cleaner? Can you get the vacuum cleaner from the closet?
We're out of trash bags. I'll pick up some sponges at the store.
We're out of means we have none left.
What about organizing supplies?
Storage boxes, containers, bins, baskets, shelves.
Labels, drawer organizers, hangers, hooks.
I bought some storage boxes for the closet. We need more hangers.
Let's label these containers. I'm installing some hooks on the wall.
These tools help you stay organized.
Yes, the right tools make cleaning easier.
Wow, we covered so much cleaning and organizing vocabulary today.
From sweeping and mopping to organizing closets.
We learned cleaning verbs, room-by-room tasks, organizing vocabulary, talking about chores, and all the supplies.
Plus, polite ways to ask roommates to help clean.
Your homework this week? Name 5 things you need to clean or organize in your home.
Say them out loud in English. I need to vacuum the living room.
I should organize my closet. I have to clean the bathroom.
Practice the vocabulary. Use the words in real situations.
And actually do one of those tasks. Clean and practice English.
2 birds with 1 stone, clean house and better English.
Thank you so much for learning with us today.
If this episode was helpful, please share it with friends who are learning English.
And subscribe. Next week, we'll talk about cooking and food vocabulary.
Delicious topic. I'm already excited.
Until then, keep your home tidy.
And keep practicing your English.
A clean home and clear communication.
You've got this.
Clean up, organize, and speak English.
See you next week.
Keep it clean. Goodbye.